Now you are visible to me.
Okay.
All good? All good
Yeah.
from my side?
Yeah. Good. Yeah. All good.
Okay. So, yes, good afternoon. How are you
Mm,
doing?
Good afternoon. Thank you so much for asking. And how are you?
Yes, yes, I am doing good.
Yeah, that's
How is
great.
the day been so far?
It's a busy day, but I just make some one-to-one session with you because that period of time I was busy. Uh, Today
Yes.
as well. I mean, because I'm working professional. So yeah.
Right. Okay, yes, please introduce yourself.
Yeah. My name is Mohit Saxena, and I'm basically from Morena, Madhya Pradesh. Uh, so I'm just working last 2 years in IT company. Uh, yeah. So in HR recruitment as well because I'm data analyst as a
Mm.
now. So yeah, this is
Okay. Where are you staying?
actually at home because I'm currently working from home. So yeah.
Okay. Okay. Which city? Which city you told
Uh,
me? I didn't get
uh,
it.
Morena, Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya
Okay.
Pradesh. Okay, okay.
I have seen your videos, and so yeah, that's why I just wanted to connect with you for
Oh.
one more session. I
Mm.
also some learners, they just mm, connected with me. Uh,
Okay.
so because my reason is that because I improve my com skills. So basically sometime I'm stuck some words in,
Mm.
so that's my thinking. I mean
You
so
just want to improve your communication skills.
yeah, that's my motto because sometimes when I uh, go for the client meeting and all, so some words I'm stuck, so that's the reason. So how to able to express myself on that thing.
Mm.
So
Mm. Mm.
but yeah, that's I'm facing now these days. But
Mm.
let's see. I mean, because some of the clients some US based, and
Mm.
so yes, of course, and I mean, some my team member is also is I mean is he's very good at whenever they stuck, and so they just helping
Mm.
me. But sometimes you know
Mm.
that's
I
now,
understand.
yeah,
Yes.
so that's the reason. Yeah,
Mm.
just
Mm. Yes.
improving myself. So yeah, I just saw
Yes.
your video. You also I mean you are you are a tutor, so you please correct me if I am wrong some sentences. So please, yeah, anytime
Yes.
because
Yes.
I love feedbacks because as a
Yeah. As a
native,
learner, it is important for everybody, right?
yeah, yeah,
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes. Yeah, the thing of getting stuck, that's mainly because you lack practice in speaking. And also, this aspect is there that you're working from home, which means to say you don't get to interact a lot socially with others. Like it is a different in an office setting. You get to
correct,
meet people, interact, and talk. But at home, you are with yourself. Unless you have a meeting or something of such sort, you don't basically interact much.
yeah, yeah.
So yes, yes, I think that is the drawback of working from home.
Yeah, that's you are right. So that's why the I mean not physically, but you know, but now because I am staying with my family, so I loved it.
Mhm,
So that
mhm,
that's
mhm.
the reason I loved it. I mean to
Yes, yes.
because
That is
I'm
the
not going out.
advantage.
Yeah,
Mm,
and
mm.
weekends will be more easier for me whenever I
Yes.
go for I mean for my outside friends and all. So I just go
Mm,
take a
mm.
laptop and go for and meet him.
Yes, yes. Even outside friends also, you don't basically interact in English, I believe.
The reason is that my culture is I mean how to say, but when I mean when I come from small town, so
Okay, you come from
basically
a small town.
yeah, so
Okay.
basically not culture and not communication and all. So that's the reason, because I'm a small town. As I said. So that's the main reason for this is a drawback from as I would say. So not communication and all. So I mean, and also I mean, that's the reason I want to learn
Hmm.
for this uh, English conversation, because I lack sometimes. So I hope, actually sometimes I'm I'm busy at work, but sometimes I'll free, so just one to one session and all. So
Hmm.
uh, so
Have you
whenever getting
taken the subscription of any spoken English platform?
yeah, I'll take it for, I mean, couple of months. I'll take it some subscription like
You have taken
yeah.
already.
No, no. Last time I'll take it, but now it's expired. So
Okay, okay. I
yeah,
had taken it. You can say that. I had taken it for
okay.
4 months
I,
ago, 5 months ago. Yeah.
okay, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I had taken it for for a month ago, right? Yeah.
Okay. For like you finished the subscription? How long has it been?
Yeah. It's more than 1 year. I mean, more than
Okay,
1 year.
okay.
Not 1 year. I mean, for a month. I mean, for a month. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Mm. Right. So how was your experience? Did you feel that you have improved?
I'm not because I'm not a consistent on that.
Okay,
So
okay. You are
that's
not
that.
consistent in your
Yeah,
practice.
yeah. So sometimes because I'm busy at work, and sometimes you some uh, home. I mean, it's at you are at home, so so many works, right? I mean, at helping hands in your my mother and all, because
Yeah.
yeah, because
Okay.
yeah. So that's the reason, and I'm not get it. I mean, not time on that period of time, but still I'm trying to be available on this. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
how to say? I mean,
Conversation. Are you taking conversations
yeah,
regularly?
not not regular, but whenever I have time, so I'll just uh, make some. I mean,
Connect with
make some
somebody and talk.
connect. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mm, mm,
So,
right. Yeah.
so
When you take subscription of some platform, you have paid money to them and that will push you to be consistent.
yeah, yeah.
Right? Otherwise, you just take it for granted and you keep procrastinating, like, I'll do today, I'll do tomorrow. It's not that important, or I'm busy today. Right? Unless that, even with me, it is like I have started my YouTube and now it is my responsibility to put out content on my channel. So it is a thing that I have to do this. So unless you push your limits, you won't be able to do it.
But it's not easy. But it's not easy to
Definitely,
consistent.
definitely, it's not easy.
No,
Yeah, and
because
given that you are a working professional, I understand.
yes, it's not easy, because when you are, I mean, how, I mean, when you are comfort zone, right?
Mm,
So if
mm,
you're not able to how to do next thing, so it's not. I mean, sometimes I last 2 3 1 year I think back. So I'm very comfort zone in my so
okay.
not I mean, so that period of time I'm stuck in. I'm totally blanked how to start and all. So
Yes, yes,
then when you grown up, so and you realize that uh, it's not a easy life. You have
yes,
to
yes.
you have to take some skills and all, so you have
Mm.
to up to the mark, right?
Yes, yes, yes. You
Because
have to continuously keep upskilling yourself, improving in all the areas.
yeah, that's the reason, just improving myself, because when I stuck, I mean, it's okay, I just uh, chill out in my friends and family, and it's okay, salary is
Mm,
coming, so I'm okay with that. So I'm not
mm.
not out of the, I mean, uh, comfort comfort zone, not out of
Okay,
the. So that's
okay,
the
okay.
So
You
you
like
know what I
being
mean.
in a comfort
Uh,
zone. Yes, I
yeah.
do.
So that's the reason. And now the things are changed. So I realized
Mm.
that time has changed. So
Yes.
so that's the reason you have to upskill and whatever, because you not on same position, right?
Mm. Mm. In order to grow professionally, your
Yeah.
communication skills have to be exceptional. You
Yeah.
need to improve.
So that's why the reason to I just realized that to please you have to uh,
Mhm.
take a next step. So just improving myself. So
Mm, mm,
let's see how it's journey going so far, but
mm.
just
At least you have
keep
started the
practicing.
journey. That is
Yeah,
important. You realized what you're lacking and you decided to go forward and work on your communication. That is the first step.
that is the yeah, that's the reason you are
Mm,
you are saying.
mm.
But now let's see.
Yeah,
Now,
yeah, let's see. So, how did you end up becoming a data analyst?
uh, last mm, I mean it's some months. I mean uh, November, Feb, November. Yeah,
Okay, last year.
last year,
Okay, okay. Mm. So,
last
since
year.
1 year.
Yeah, one
Okay.
year. So yeah, so I'm just because sometimes when you go for the client meeting and all, so I'm stuck blank, totally blank. So so what should I what to do and something and all. So so now I'm going to next uh, position. I mean for the
Okay.
so
You're
that's why
getting a
that
promotion.
yeah. So
Mm.
next, you have to improve your communication because they need, uh, because you are good at your skills. I mean technical skills and all,
Mm,
but
mm.
you're not able to speak on
Yeah.
when I need it, right?
Mm,
If you
mm,
when you are able to speak on that stakeholder and all, so that's okay. Uh,
mm. Right. So,
but
all
now
your meetings are virtual or you have to go somewhere?
uh, virtual. Uh,
Mm.
because yeah, sometimes we go for a hybrid model. I mean now these days,
Okay.
yeah.
Mm.
So we working uh, 3 days working from home and 2 days work from office to will connect.
Office. Okay,
So
okay.
yeah,
So, did you study in an English medium school?
yeah, I study, but
Yeah.
uh,
Yeah, because your basics are strong.
yeah, yeah, I study in English medium school and not I mean I would say not speaking culture is not there for my
I
school
get it. I get it.
because
Mm.
I'm 90s kid. So I am, but my some friends are very good and financially is very good. So they are sometimes they will speak. Their
Mm.
mindset is very good. So
Mm.
so that's and some people not. I mean you know not able to, I mean that's just go for the
Yeah.
Hindi and right, you're
Mm.
not improving on because I need you have to learning day by day. That's Bangalore it's
No,
nearby,
no.
right?
No, Bangalore is quite far from here.
Okay, okay.
Mm, mm, right. Yeah. Because everybody knows Karnataka means Bangalore, especially those in the IT sector.
Because we are from north side. I mean
Yes. Yes. I
I'm
get
from
it.
north side, so I nearby from Delhi, uh,
Mm.
Gwalior. Have
Okay.
you heard about? I think
Yes, yes. I have heard of Gwalior.
Gwalior and Agra. Have you heard about? I think so.
Yes, yes. Agra, Taj Mahal.
Yeah. So that's the
Mm.
nearby my cities. Yeah. So I'll go for. I mean, that's the culture in North. I mean, food also. I loved it. I
Mm.
because I'll just ask my friend because some people are in Bangalore. So
Mm.
so
Yes.
they just said you are uh, not people not there.
Mm.
uh, I mean, what is it? I mean, not foodie culture. Not.
Okay.
It's like idli, sambar. Uh,
Yes, yes, yes. Only
Delhi
the food you will, yeah. But there are a lot of like many, many, many North Indians in Bangalore as well.
because reason is that their IT companies is there in
Yes.
Bangalore, so that's the reason. Not people are most of the people not. I mean, in Bangalore, in Pune, right?
Yes.
So
Yes. Main reason is that because of IT.
and also climate also is very good. I think.
Climate is very good.
Yeah,
The weather of Bengaluru is very good.
yeah. I visited last not Bangalore but Pune and
Okay.
Hyderabad.
Okay.
So
Pune, Hyderabad. Mm.
Pune, Hyderabad is very good. I would say
Mm.
because weather is very nice. I mean,
Mm.
but
Mm.
Delhi weather is not good because
Delhi
right
weather is
now
very bad. Yes.
because Delhi north. I mean, Delhi is my nearby. It's
Mm.
200 kilometer, 300 kilometer.
Okay.
So yeah. So north side is when you see I mean north area. So it is
Mm.
very cold and humidity and all. Whenever
Yes.
comes summer, so
Mm.
uh, it's very hot and all.
Mm. Right.
So as per uh, climate is changing, but Pune weather is same. I mean, uh,
Mm.
when you go for Jan, Feb, so
Yeah.
yeah. Just a moment.
But
Just a moment.
Hyderabad is closer to my house. I mean, to my place.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah,
Mm.
actually, some messages and
Yeah. I think it's time for you to get back to work, right? Is your
yeah,
lunch break over?
yeah. Okay, okay.
Okay. Then.
I just reconnect with uh, for some time.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, uh, okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Nice
Okay. Yeah.
meeting. Nice meeting you. And
Yes.
I just connect with again. I mean, not this is the. I mean, not not more than. I mean, it's 20 minutes. I think at 20.
Yes. Yes.
It's
Yeah.
okay, but
Hardly 15, 20 minutes.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's okay, but not an issue. But I will connect with again with you. I mean, some
Okay.
discussion.
Okay. Okay. Have a good day and all the best for your career.
Okay, okay.
Mhm.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Bye bye.